You are a non-technical student looking to have a thriving career, but still you have not explored digital marketing. Then you are missing out on a bright, prosperous future. Hi, I am Dilip Kumar N from Building Pixels Academy. And if you are a student from a non-technical background, then digital marketing is the right path for you in this digital age. When you enroll with BPA, your future will be full of digital marketing opportunities such as social media manager, ORM specialist, campaign manager, performance marketer, SEO specialist, and prompt engineers, as well as many more. And our guidance doesn't end with teaching. When your course ends, you will be guaranteed lifetime placement assistance. Ready to open your doors to the new digital era? Get in touch with us today.